Every single video you see on the screen right now was created using AI. Unlimited, no watermarks, no restrictions. And here's the part that might upset some people. The tool everyone's raving about, HyperFrames, usually works with Claude's $200 a month subscription plan. I've found two ways to do exactly the same thing without paying that subscription fee. And when you use these correctly, you can access those expensive premium models for free. Let's get started. Welcome back. So here's the deal. Making a video used to mean hours at the screen, cutting clips on a timeline, drag and dropping every image a millimeter at a time. HyperFrames is a new generation AI video generator that removes that grind completely. Think of HyperFrames as a smart director working for you. Imagine a sleek, dynamic website, moving text, images, logos. HyperFrames understands that motion in your head and turns it into a smooth video. No heavy old school tools required. Just like you ask ChatGPT or any other AI a question and get an answer, you tell HyperFrames in one sentence what kind of video you want. It's genuinely incredible. You give it a prompt, it builds a full AI video. But almost every free AI video generator you've tried has a catch, and this one is no different. To actually run HyperFrames, most people plug it into Claude on the $200 Max plan. That's the quiet part nobody says out loud. Let me be straight with you. I'm not here to sell you dreams. So I spent a few days testing how to run this tool without paying for that plan. Two methods actually worked really well. I'll rank them, show you the real prompts, and full transparency, I'll tell you exactly where the free part ends. Because there's a catch to my method too, and I'd rather you hear it from me. Method number one, and this is the easiest way to start, a tool called Evox. Think of it like Cursor, but for running agents. Go to EvoMap and sign up for free. You can log in with Google or GitHub. Download the Evox agent from there and install it. Open Evox and sign in. It'll send you to the browser. Connect it to the account you just used. Go to Settings, then click Advanced Settings. Hit Launch Credits and activate the trial credits right away. Now you have 1,500 credits. No credit card, no trial that charges you later. Just 1,500 credits to burn. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inside Evox, you get access to the big models. Kimi K3, GPT 5.6, Sol, the same models the paid crowd is bragging about. And we're running them for free through those sign-up credits. Full transparency, those 1,500 credits are not infinite. But I ran a bunch of videos and barely made a dent. For most of you, this alone is weeks of free generation before you even think about anything else. Let's make a video with Kimi K3 right now. In the Evox agent, go to Code. Hit New Chat, then pick a folder. We're set. First prompt, install HyperFrames. It's installing the HyperFrames plugin for us. Now we write what the video is about. I want a video about an AI data center. And I wait. In the background, it's generated images first, then exports them as video. Saves everything to the folder you picked. And our video is ready. We asked for a 10-second video and it delivered. Honestly, looks really good. You can usually use clips like this as side content. Not the main video, but support under it. Or write a stronger prompt and push it further. Let's write another prompt. This time I want 30 seconds. Create a 30-second faceless explainer about why open source AI models are quietly beating $100 billion labs. This time I want to use GPT 5.6 Sol. Yeah, it's actually giving you this for free, and that was genuinely fast. It made the video faster than Kimi K3. Let's watch it right now. This one has audio. Kimi K3 didn't. Maybe we could have pushed that in the prompt, but it gave us a silent video. The voice is okay, not great, and honestly, we often use videos like this silent anyway. I like this one too. Super easy to make, and free. With this method, you can generate a ton of videos like this, just for you. So, how many credits do you think those two videos cost me? Going into settings, Kimi K3 only spent 19 credits. GPT 5.6 Sol spent 64, and it was faster. Kimi K3 made a 10-second video. GPT 5.6 made 30 seconds. Both are strong on price performance. And with this credit balance, you can generate minutes of video. And that's just the start. Method 2 is where you unlock the most powerful model, Opus, with a lot more room. Method number 2, AgentRouter. This is the one when you want the heavy hitters, Opus 5 and Opus 4.8 with serious headroom. When you sign up, it drops $125 of credit into your account. $125 to use the same models people pay $200 a month for. Here's how it actually works, step by step. Go to the AgentRouter site from the link in the description. If it opens in Chinese, switch to English from the right side. Right now, you can sign up with GitHub, and your GitHub account has to be at least 3 months old. If you can't sign up, keep that detail in mind. After you sign up with your GitHub account, you'll see $175 there. Go to API token, hit Create Token, give it a name, set the quota to unlimited, and create your API key. AgentRouter gives you an API key. You take that key, plug it into Claude Code, and now you're running Opus on your credit balance. No Claude subscription anywhere in sight. Let me show you. Download Claude Code and install it on your computer. Launch Claude. Click these 3 dots. If you don't see Developer, go to Help, Troubleshooting, Enable Developer Mode, then restart Claude. Developer should show up now. Click Developer, then Configure Third-Party Inference. Under Connection, Gateway should be selected. In the URL field, paste the AgentRouter URL. In the API key field, paste the key you got from agentrouter.auth. Should be bearer.credentialKind, should be static API key. Hit Test Connection. You'll know if the key works. Look, it found the models. Opus 5 and Opus 4.8 are now under your command. Now, full transparency on 2 things. 1, I'll be straight with you. The link I'm using is my referral link. If you sign up through it, you get $50 in extra credit and I get $100. Fair trade. And you're walking away with more free credit, not less. 2, this is credit, not unlimited. When it runs out, it runs out. Here, if you have another GitHub account that's at least 3 months old, you can create a new account or invite your friends. Let's keep going. Claude Code is ready. Go to Code. Pick an empty folder again. I'm selecting Opus 5 and I'm running it on Max. First, I type install HyperFrames, waiting for it to install. One thing I want to say here, if the model feels too slow, you can switch to the other one. Speed also changes with traffic. Writing my video prompt. Create a 25-second cinematic product launch video from the kimi.moonshot.cn website. It's going to research the Moonshot site and build a video around it. Sounds pretty cool, right? At the start of this video, you maybe didn't even know something like this was possible. What matters is your imagination. Whatever you need, put it in the prompt. Yes, our video is ready. You can open it from here, but let's go to the folder. That folder is the empty one you gave Claude Code. Look how many files it made. It actually studied the site in a lot of detail. Look, it scraped all the logos, all the assets, pulled the info, generated audio, even sound effects. And our video is right here.
For years, intelligence had a price. This is Kimi K3, built for agentic coding and for real knowledge work. It's free. The weights are open. And it beats GPT. Cost to you, 0. This is the end of pay to I. Kimi.com.
Wow, that's so good. I love this. I really didn't expect this much. Think about it, friends. You hand it a website and you get a video built around that site. And it doesn't feel like fake AI footage. It feels like someone actually edited this by hand. All right, let me be straight with you one more time. This is not a magic button. 2 real limitations. 1, Evox and AgentRouter are free sign-up credits. Not free forever. Generous. Weeks of video generous. But they do end. Opening a new account, that's still in your hands. 2, the free routes are a little slower than a paid Opus plan. And full transparency, during testing, one of my renders kept cutting out. I reran the prompt, and it worked. It happens. This is fast-moving, free software. The bottom line? The future of video creation isn't locked behind a $50 or $200 monthly subscription anymore. And that's the whole point. My goal is simple. Get you the expensive premium models for free. Do the research for you, and put new tools in your hands. Hey, if you watched this far, genuinely, thank you. That means everything to me. No pitch this time. No smash the button. I just want to know one thing. Drop a comment and tell me, what country are you watching from right now? I'm honestly curious how far this channel really reaches. I read every single one. See you in the next one.